Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the stock market to help you navigate this turbulent time. Today we are tackling a topic that on every investor mind, the seasonal headwinds of September and October. Historically, these months have been tough for stocks, but a handful of companies are showing strong momentum and they might just be the key to weathering the storm. Since 1950, September has been the worst month of the S&P 500 with an average loss of 0.7%. According to the Stock Trader Almanac, this September started off in the red too, but after the Federal Reserve cut rates by half a percentage point this week, the market rallied and the S&P 500 is now up about 1.5% for the week and over in the month. So what does this mean for you as an investor? Well, even though we are seeing a rebound, October is a notorious for market drawdowns as well as so we are not out of the woods yet. But there's a good news. Certain stocks have momentum on their side and they might continue to perform well even if we hit more turbulence. Investment bank Evercore ISI did some digging and identified stocks that are in the top quintile for momentum sentiments and buybacks within the Russell 3000. They also got solid market capitalization and have a stock price over $5. Let's take a closer look at few of the standout names from the year list. First is AppLovin. Is a mobile tech company that been on fire this year, climbing a massive 209% in 2024. UBS recently upgraded AppLovin to a buy rating, citing strong revenue growth, a fair valuation, and potential in the gaming and e-commerce sector. While the stock has some risks, with price target calling for potential 5% downside, BTIG remains bullish, setting a $150 target, the highest on Wall Street. AppLovin is definitely a stock to keep an eye on, especially if you believe in the continued growth of mobile gaming and app-based commerce. Next, we have Robinhood, which has soared 80% in 2024. The popular financial trading platform caught the attention of Barclays, which upgraded it to equal weight, noting that its business model is maturing and with a $1 billion share purchases program announced early this year. Robinhood's management is showing confidence in the company's future, while some analysts have mixed feelings. The stocks still has a 5% upside according to conscious targets. If you are looking for a platform that part of retail trading revolution, Robinhood might be your pick. Just remember to consider the risk as well. Last but certainly not least is Sprouts Farmers Market. This organic grocery chain has been riding a wave of success of 118% year to date. Evercore recently upgraded Sprouts to outperform, believing that the trend toward the healthy eating will continue to boost its performance. Analyst market Montani set a $125 price target, the highest on Wall Street, but some analysts remain cautious, predicting a potential 9% of downside. With a consumer becoming more health conscious, Sprouts could be well positioned for continued growth. But as always, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before jumping in. So, what the takeaway? September and October may be volatile month for the stock market, but with strong momentum, bullish sentiment, and solid buyback program, companies like AppLovin, Robinhood, and Sprouts Farmer Market might help you weather the storm. Remember, do your own research and consult with financial advisor before making any investment decision. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on the stock market and how can you navigate this challenging time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.